Building a simple contact book is an excellent way to master Python fundamentals. This project involves creating a contact management application from scratch, allowing you to apply Python basics, data structures, and potentially GUI or database skills. It's a practical, beginner-friendly project that enhances your programming knowledge while developing a useful tool. Building a contact book is a practical project that enhances your Python skills. It's a real-world application, essential for managing personal and professional contacts. This project is beginner-friendly, allowing you to apply Python basics, data structures, and optionally explore graphical user interface or database integration, making it a perfect learning tool. A contact book's core features include adding contacts with names, phone numbers, and email addresses. Users can view the entire contact list, edit details, and delete outdated entries. A search function allows quick retrieval of contacts by name, enhancing efficiency and organization. Python dictionaries offer an efficient way to manage contact books. By using contact names as keys and storing details like phone numbers and emails in nested dictionaries, you achieve intuitive organization. This structure allows for fast operations, such as lookups, updates, and deletions, with O1 complexity, and provides flexibility to add fields without restructuring. Dictionaries use a key-value structure, with contact names as keys and details as nested dictionaries, ensuring intuitive organization. They offer fast operations with O1 complexity for lookups, updates, and deletions. This flexible storage allows easy extension with additional fields without restructuring, as shown in the example. Contacts equals open curly brace, Alice close, curly brace, open curly brace, phone, close curly brace, open, quote 1, 2, 3, dash 4, 5, 6, dash 7, 8, 9, 0, close quote, open curly brace email, close curly brace, open quote, alice@example.com, close quote, close curly brace. Efficiently manage your contact list using dictionary-based create, read, update, delete operations. Use add contact to create new entries, edit contact to update existing details, view contact to display information, and delete contact to remove entries permanently. This approach ensures streamlined contact management with minimal complexity. Utilizing an object-oriented approach with classes enhances contact management. Encapsulation allows bundling contact data and behavior in a contact class, streamlining code organization. A contact book class centralizes management, handling operations efficiently. This approach supports scalability, making it easier to extend functionality and maintain the code base as the application grows. Classes in contact management offer encapsulation, bundling data and behavior in a contact class for organized, less complex code. A contact book class centralizes management, efficiently handling multiple contacts. This approach enhances scalability, allowing for easier extension and maintenance as the application grows with new features. The contact class initializes attributes, updates details, and displays formatted information. Meanwhile, the contact book class efficiently manages contacts by adding, editing, deleting, and viewing contact details. This structured approach ensures organized and scalable contact management, setting the stage for integrating a graphical user interface. Incorporating a graphical user interface, GUI, enhances the usability of the contact book application. Using Python's tkinter, we can create windows, frames, buttons, and entry widgets. These elements allow users to add, edit, delete, and view contacts through an intuitive interface, making contact management more visual and accessible, especially for beginners. Tkinter provides the foundation for creating a user-friendly contact book. Master windows, frames, buttons, and entry widgets to build interactive applications. Enable users to add, edit, delete, and view contacts effortlessly through intuitive graphical controls. This visual, interactive interface ensures seamless contact management, making it accessible even for beginners. Initialize the main window using tkinter, organizing content with frames for a clean layout. Use entry widgets to create input fields for capturing contact details like name, phone, and email. Wire buttons to functions for CRUD operations, ensuring proper event handling for seamless user interaction. PyQt offers a professional GUI framework with rich widgets and advanced styling, ideal for cross-platform desktop applications. Coupled with SQLite, a lightweight serverless database, it ensures permanent contact storage without complex setup. The model view pattern in PyQt separates data handling from presentation, promoting maintainable code architecture. PyQt offers a professional GUI framework with rich widgets and cross-platform support, ideal for desktop applications. SQLite provides a lightweight, serverless database solution, ensuring permanent data storage without complex setup. The model view pattern in clean architecture separates data handling from presentation, promoting maintainable code. The RP Contacts project is structured to enhance code management and collaboration. The views.py file handles GUI code and visual components, while database.py manages SQLite connections and queries. The model.py file contains data models and business logic, and main.py serves as the application entry point, ensuring a clean separation of concerns. Python Textual offers a modern text user interface framework, enabling the creation of visually appealing terminal applications. It supports rich interactivity, enhancing user experience. With SQLite as a backend, it ensures data persistence, maintaining contact information reliably. This lightweight solution is ideal for deployment on systems without graphical user interface support, running directly in the terminal. Textual offers a modern framework for creating visually appealing terminal applications. It supports rich interactivity, enhancing user experience. Using SQLite for persistent storage ensures contact data is reliably maintained across sessions. The lightweight nature of Textual allows for easy deployment on systems without GUI support, making it ideal for server environments. Explore the Contact Book TUI's features: a scrollable interface for viewing contacts, intuitive keyboard shortcuts for adding and removing entries, and a rich terminal experience with colors and responsive controls. These elements combine to offer a user-friendly, efficient alternative to traditional GUI applications. Ensure data integrity by validating phone numbers and email addresses. Use JSON or SQLite for reliable data persistence. Organize code into modules for maintainability. Enhance functionality with import-export features, contact groups, and search filters. These best practices will elevate your contact book's efficiency and usability. You've journeyed from simple dictionaries to advanced GUIs and databases in building contact books with Python. This progression from basic structures to sophisticated applications enhances your foundational skills. Customize and expand your contact book to solidify your understanding. Ready to create your own? Start coding today.